Zak Starkey is no longer part of The Who, marking the end of his nearly 29-year tenure with the iconic rock band. The 59-year-old drummer, who is the son of the Beatles drummer Sir Ringo Starr and his first wife, Maureen Starkey, confirmed his departure in a statement on April 16. He expressed pride in his nearly 3-decade-long journey with the band, mentioning that stepping into the shoes of his godfather, Keith Moon, was a huge honor. Despite leaving, he remains a huge fan of the band, considering them like family. Zak revealed that in January, he had suffered a serious medical emergency due to blood clots in his right calf, which had affected his bass drum leg. However, he assured that the condition was now fully healed and no longer impacted his ability to drum or run. Reflecting on his final performance, he expressed surprise and sadness that there were concerns about his performance, specifically referencing comments from Roger Daltrey about struggling to hear over the drums during the Who's Royal Albert Hall show. Despite this, Zak stated that he planned to take some time off to focus on his family and the release of his project Domino Bones with Noel Gallagher, as well as work on his autobiography. He also noted that 29 years in any job was a significant amount of time and wished the band the best moving forward. A representative for The Who confirmed that Zak's departure was a mutual decision made after their recent shows at the Royal Albert Hall. The band expressed their admiration for Zak and wished him the best in his future endeavors. On April 12th, Zak appeared to preemptively address his departure by sharing a post on Instagram. In the post, he mentioned an inside source who claimed that Roger Daltrey was unhappy with Zak's drumming performance at the Royal Albert Hall. Zak humorously referenced this claim with an exaggerated caption, suggesting that Daltrey had plans to replace him with a new drummer, even making a playful reference to a fictional band, the Burwash Carwash Skiffle in Tickle Glee Club Harmony Without Empathy All-Stars. The post included an image of Zak and Roger Daltrey, with the text, "The Daily Who Breaking News."